We all love Mauby, and we all love to purchase the Mauby Concentrate in the bottle. But it has gotten more and more expensive, and the flavor becomes less and less sweetness with each glass of juice. Today I am going to show you how to make Mauby Concentrate at home that is better than the store-bought product. One of the perks to making this recipe at home is that you get to tweak the recipe to your own liking by adding your own flavors. So what are you waiting for? Get those coconut tarts ready and let's make a Mauby concentrate that will become your new best friend. I don't know how many of you enjoy Mauby, but I certainly do. So to my pot to make our Mauby syrup, I am using 4 pieces of Mauby bark, very healthy, 1 cinnamon stick, 2 star anise. If you don't have star anise, you want to use some star anise essence, 4 whole cloves, and I'm adding 1 Caribbean bay leaf to this. I am also adding 6 cups of water, because I am making a Mauby syrup. I'm going to let this boil for 35 minutes. It has since been 35 minutes and it has reduced by about quarter. So this is where I just like to add 5 cups of brown sugar, if you like Mauby more bitter than this, you could add more Mauby bark to it. You could even add orange peel, anise seed. There's so much different things that you could add to this, and as you can see, the brown sugar that gave it a whole different color. So I will allow this to reduce by about another half. So I'm going to leave this to reduce for about 45 minutes on medium heat. Our Mauby is simmering and it has reduced by another quarter. As you can see the lines, what I did was to add 1 more bay leaf and 1 more cinnamon stick, and overall I will add the entire amount in the description box as I have written it down. As you can see, it's beginning to coat my spoon, but by tomorrow morning, it's now 10 p.m. By tomorrow morning it's gonna get nice and thicker. We have 1 more key ingredient to add that is going to give us that Mauby concentrate in the bottle taste, but it's going to be better because we have all these nice spices going in here. As you can see, we have our nutmeg. Let's turn off the stove and we're going to allow this to cool down overnight. It's now 8:35 a.m. and this is what we have. It has thickened up overnight, so we're going to strain it and we're going to add the last ingredient that is going to sum this all up. Just going to pass it through a strainer. Finally, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of aniseed essence to this. And this is where it gets the nice scented flavor in the Mauby. It tastes just like the bottled Mauby concentrate, but it has more flavor. If you don't have the aniseed essence and you have aniseed, you want to boil some of the aniseed, about 1/4 cup, and leave it to draw overnight separately from the Mauby, and you could add it to this the next day. I'm going to use this recipe to make some Mauby, about 1/4 cup of our Mauby concentrate, and I'm going to add some water to this. Give it a mix. I'm just going to add some ice to this. I'm also going to use some of it to make Mauby Fizz. A third of a cup of Mauby Concentrate. I'm going to add some water just to dilute it a little bit. Give it a mix. It's very sweet, very syrupy. I'm going to add some ice to it. And I'm going to fill the rest up with soda water. And there's a beautiful ombre Mauby Fizz. If you add orange peel to this recipe, be sure to refrigerate it after bottling. The first drink is truly magical. The flavors blended together beautifully. It's comforting, delicious, and surprisingly easy to make. If you enjoyed this video, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe. Help me to grow my YouTube channel by sharing. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend, and see you in another one of my recipes.